Oh, look at that. Soft, fluffy, fantastic scone. And they're probably called ham and cheese biscuits actually in America, but we know them as scones or scones. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a very tasty savoury scone. We are making ham and cheese scones or scones, wherever you come from. We're making the scones. We got the flour and everything there. We got some cheese, we got some onion. We're not using chives, that's an alternative. I'll put it in the description. We got some packet ham. Now it's very straightforward, to be honest. You can fine dice it as much as you want, you know, but if you want to be seeing ham in there, you're gonna have to be dicing it a bit bigger. So we got something like that. We got some little cubes of ham. That's nice and straightforward, isn't it? Now make sure you've got your oven on about 180. We're going to make up the flour first. In here, all-purpose plain flour, baking powder, and I've got some mustard powder. I want to go in there with some salt. This is going to taste the flour. A little bit of black pepper. We want some pepper flakes in there. When I say pepper flakes, I'm not red pepper, obviously. That's freshly ground black. And we want a little bit of garlic powder. Probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Give that a whisk. Right, that's got all that through there, look. Butter. In there with our softened butter. It is softened, look. Right, bring all that together. Little breadcrumbs. There we go, that's good enough. Wash dandies. Okay, there's our flour mix there, lovely. We need some wet mix to go in there now. Greek yogurt, homemade Greek yogurt. There's plenty of references on the channel. In fact, there's a link there. Egg, give it a little bit of a beat up. Makes it easier. In there with that yogurt. Milk in there. Now this is super duper Greek yogurt, as you know, because we've been making it on the channel. So we're going to have to just give that a little whiskey in there, you know. And it's straightforward. It's a case of ham in there, onion or chives in there, and your cheese in there, and just bring that in. Wow, there's some colours in there, look at that lot. Oh, I've seen a big bit of ham there, look. We don't want that. That looks sensational. In there, our wet mix, and just bring it in. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff going on in there, look. Look at that lot. Now, a little bit of flour on the old hands, because this is a little bit wet. Okay, we've got a really wet mix there actually. A little bit of flour on there. Let's have that on there. And we're just going to scrape out this in here, look. We're not going to waste this. Right, this is quite a wet mix. We're not worried about that. We're not going to add any more flour than that. Just bring it together and do not overwork it. Okay, Do not overwork it. What we're trying to do is create light, moist scones, not the dry scone that everybody tries to make and eat. We want really light scones. You know, we've got a filling in here. So we just need to be turning this over a couple of times on here. We're not going to roll it as such, we're just going to do that. That'll do for me. I'm not bothered if it's got a craggy top on, as you all know on here. And you can see all the filling in there. Right, this is a 3-inch cutter. It's probably too big. I want 6 scones. 1 straight down, straight up. 2 straight down, straight up. And if it comes out like that, straight on a line tray. Okay, we got these various sizes of scone here, look. Now we're not egg washing, we're going to milk wash. A little bit of milk on there, look. And we want to be going on there with a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit on each one. And then we'll put a little bit of parmesan on as well. And that's going to give us that really fantastic cheesy bite to the top. So there we have it, straight in the oven, about 15 minutes. We're saying 15, but it could be 15 to 18. Start looking at 15 to make sure they look cooked. Now these things are not going to come up like scones, but they're actually called scones because it's the ingredients of scones. They're going to be slightly round, but not to worry, you know, it's because they're fully loaded. Okay, I think they're done enough. Let's have those out of there. They smell absolutely gorgeous. Oh, they're very lightweight. Listen. That's what you're listening for. And this one's got my name on. Oh man. Let's get in here on these fully loaded scones. Oh, straight through there. Oh, look at that. Soft, fluffy, fantastic scone. And look at all our contents. Our ham, our cheese, our onion. Look at that. Perfect. And on there, come on, butter. That is amazing. Look at those beauties. Come on, in we go. Oh, we're in. I mean, look at this. Look how soft that is. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look. Oh, that is fantastic. Fully loaded cheddar cheese, ham. Got our onion in there. Oh, wow. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic. That would be absolutely brilliant with soup. Tomato soup. Oh. The top is very cheesy. It's got a big cheese kick from the parmesan and the cheddar. So we'll go to the bottom. Bottom's nicely cooked, look. Let's come in here. It's just so light and fluffy. These are absolutely fantastic. Bit of butter on there. Oh, nice cuppa. Delicious. Oh, serve them up as an accompaniment with soup. First class. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is just to throw some ham and cheese scones together. And they're probably called ham and cheese biscuits actually in America. But we know them as scones or scones. And these are fully loaded, as you can see. Ham in there, onion, cheese, absolutely delicious. Topped with cheddar and parmesan. Wow, massive cheesy bursts. They're fantastic. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.